Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to paste into multiple cells. As example, I will type text in here. You can type Fasuket. And if you want to paste this word into multiple cells, you can select or right click, go to copy, and then you can press Ctrl button, hold, and then you can select the cells. After it, you can right click again and then choose paste. Okay, you can select the cells and press Ctrl button to select multiple cells. And the next you can right click on paste to paste the copy object. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to paste into multiple cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.